Naghahanap ka ba ng affordable single-attached house and lot in Dasmariñas, Cavite? If your answer is yes, then keep on watching. Hi, this is Leslie Lazarte and welcome to Jasmine Model here in Tierra Vista, Ayana in Dasmariñas, Cavite. Ito na yata ang pinakamurang single-attached house and lot in Cavite for as low as 12,800 pesos per month. Wow, napakamura, di ba? Meron itong lot area na 58.5 square meters and floor area of 44.5 square meters. May provision for 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath at may 1 carport ka pa. Kasama na rin itong napakagandang service area sa likod. At ang maganda po sa bahay na to, since single attached siya, wala siyang kadikit or wala siyang katabi. Ang turnover natin ay bare finish, kaya naman may freedom ka to design your house after turnover. Napakaganda rin ang location niya dahil 5 minutes lang nasa SM Dasmariñas ka na or Robinsons Palapala. At hindi lang yan, malapit din siya sa Calax Governors Drive Interchange, kaya naman 45 minutes lang nasa Metro Manila ka na. So ano pang hinihintay mo?